Want to make a TikTok with a voiceover recording but not sure how? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to record voiceovers on TikTok. Now let's get started. To begin, open TikTok and record or upload your video as you normally would. Tap Next to move on to the editing stage. Tap the audio icon at the bottom. Then select Volume. We'd suggest lowering the volume of any added sound you've chosen so that you'll be able to hear your voiceover above the background music. Then tap the voiceover icon on the right. Tap the Record button to begin recording your voiceover. Tap Record again to stop recording. If you stop recording, you can tap the Play button to listen to the clip you just created. If you aren't happy with it or made a mistake, tap the Undo button to delete that clip. There's no Redo button, so if you hit Undo, you won't be able to get that clip back. Continue recording clips until you're happy with your voiceover. When you're done, tap Save in the top right corner to add it to your video. You can then go back and readjust the volume of your background music if you like. When you're all done, go ahead and post your TikTok. That's all it takes to add voiceovers to TikTok videos. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.